Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the gene, a section of DNA that codes for a particular protein. By the end of this video, you'll know what genes are, where they sit, and how they determine your characteristics. A gene is a length of DNA on a chromosome that codes for a particular protein, or more specifically, a particular sequence of amino acids that fold to make a protein. The protein then determines a characteristic. Different versions of the same gene are called alleles. You inherit one copy from each parent. 3 things. 1. The order of bases in a gene determines the order of amino acids in the protein. 2. The protein determines the characteristic. 3. Each gene is at the same position on the chromosome in everyone, but different people may have different alleles of that gene. Common slip. A gene is a section of DNA, not a whole chromosome. And don't say a gene is a protein. A gene codes for one. The gene is the recipe. The protein is the dish. The recipe doesn't taste of anything, only the dish does. Quick example, the cystic fibrosis gene codes for a protein that transports chloride ions across cell membranes. A mutation in this gene changes the protein's amino acid sequence. The protein folds wrong, and chloride transport fails. Sticky mucus builds up. That single gene determines whether someone has cystic fibrosis. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.